anyway when you get older. Yeah. They're not laughing. Yours. I want you to listen. We've done a lot of different styles of music today. This one's got just a little bit of a country flavor to it. I want you to listen as Jared sings, "Once Was Enough for Me."
He won't ever have to suffer like he once did. And now the royal crown has replaced the thorns upon his head. I won't see a bruised and battered face when his face I finally see. He won't ever have to die again. Once was enough for me. Once was enough for me to sing just how much he loves me. One lonely trail was all it took of Calvary. When Jesus said, "It is finished," he meant for all eternity. He won't ever have to die again. Once was enough for me. I remember well the time when I once was lost, and I can still recall all the wasted years and what they cost. I don't have to look back very far, the scars it left I plainly see. He won't ever have to die again. Once was enough for me. Once was enough for me to see just how much he loves me. One lonely trail was all it took of Calvary. When Jesus said, "It is finished," he meant for all eternity. He will never have to die again. Once was enough for me. Oh, he won't ever have to die again. Once was enough for me.
All right.
Once was enough for me. Have you enjoyed this style from these guys? Give them another one.